concept kan nínú Quran, Quran náà máa pè and Islam in general about kadara, qadar. So what the concept is about is that gbogbo nǹkan ló ní destiny, like bí wọ́n ṣe ti plan ẹ̀, bí wọ́n ṣe ti kọ́lẹ̀ òun ni ó máa fi happen. Like ìgbà mi wà tẹ́ pé Alhaji máa ń make reference ní kálámù ti gbẹ, Alhaji nìkan kálámù tó kọ́ ti gbẹ. So mo máa ń ní difficulty ṣé difficulty ni màá pè ní àbí concern about that concept in Islam. Wípé tí everything bá ti wà written, so that means ó dàgbà tẹ́ pé decision ò sí lọ́wọ́ yàn. Like you don't have.
It has been written.
Like
Bó ṣe máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lélẹ̀.
So you should not have ẹsẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ wà written for you because wọ́n ti kọ́ already tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. So mo máa ń battle that concept. Even though Ọlọ́run sọ pé a lè ṣe astaghfirullah tíyàn bá lè tọrọ dáríjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tíyàn bá kí. But there was a day that I was reading about something and I stumbled upon this thing in physics. It's called quantum physics. So quantum physics, in a way tí mo fi lè simplify, ó ní oríṣiríṣi level of explanation. But one explanation tó common ni pé something, an object, exists in a multiple potential state until tó bá tó focus sí. For instance nísìnyí tó bá gbé box sílẹ̀, ìyẹn pálí tó wà covered látọ̀ọ́kán, okay, ká ní kí wọ́n fi olóńgbò síbẹ̀, wọ́n máa ń pè kí ní Schrödinger effect. So wọ́n gbé olóńgbò sínú pálí, wọ́n á béèrè lọ́wọ́ yàn, wọ́n ti di pálí yẹn o, kò sátẹ́gùn bẹ́ẹ̀, kò sí bí ìgbà pé atẹ́gùn wò possibly pé bí akárí olóńgbò yẹn ti káṣà ní kí wọ́n gbé olóńgbò sínú pálí, then wọ́n sílẹ̀. Wọ́n á béèrè lọ́wọ́ yẹn pé ṣé olóńgbò yẹn wà alive or ó ti kú. Now ordinarily when you look at that, bí a ń torí pé o mọ̀ gbà bí a ń ṣojú ẹ lọ ṣe gbólóńgbò síbẹ̀, so o lè sọ pé kò tí kò tó gbé síbẹ̀ náà pé kò yẹ kó tí kú. But tó wáyé pátánà ni wọ́n ti gbé síbẹ̀ tán ṣí tán sílẹ̀, o kàn máa assumption náà sì yẹn náà.
That's true, sir.
So that means there is possibility. It is either the cat is alive or the cat is dead. So the cat is existing in two possibility pé either the cat is dead or the cat is alive until you open the carton and check by yourself. So you get, then focus will now determine the actual state that the cat is at that time. So which may be
alive
or alive.
Yeah.
So that thing, that potential state, mo wá related sí this state of qadar, meaning everything that is written already. Meaning every possibility that èèyàn or object tó lè dà láyé. It's not just the action that you are performing now. Every possible action that you can perform now, that you can perform. Ṣé màá ní perform àbí tó lè exhibit? To lè exhibit has been written already. Kí n for example fún ẹ, ìgbà tí wọ́n develop phone, gbogbo nǹkan tó lè fi fóònù yẹn ṣe, gbogbo nǹkan tó lè fi fóònù ṣe, wọ́n ti design yẹn. Bóyá o fẹ́ fi call ni, functionality yẹn, o lè fi call ni o, àbó o lè fi chat ni o, àbó o lè fi ṣe kíní kan. So wọ́n ti build ẹ̀ mọ́. It is now you, the user of that phone, that will decide how to use it. Say at this point I want to use it to make call, at this point. So táwa relate ẹ̀ sí kádàrá èèyàn or a destiny. Destiny means that bí a nǹkan tí wọ́n ti determine fún ẹ pé journey tó lè rìn. So it's like destiny is like a short form of destination. Tán gé kíní kó bá wá fi wáyé sí fún wáyé destiny. So it's like ìrìnàjò tó ti ń gbé ó máa rìn. So kí wá fi example kan ibi tí thought process mi gbé mi lọ níjọ́ náà nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. State ni màá pè ní gbogbo nǹkan tó fẹ́ tó ń wẹ̀ láti dà láyé yìí, gbogbo nǹkan tó lè dà ó ti ń exist already. Now that aspect tí quantum physics sọ pé until tó bá tún focus sí kinní yẹn, until when you start looking at that thing, then form tó fẹ́ kó change sí ló máa take. And sometimes wọ́n àti ẹ̀ pé àwọn activities kan tó ń ṣe, àwọn activities yẹn ló máa jẹ́ kó wà ní direction láti bí. Jẹ́ kí n wá lo example yẹn sìn. Somebody that is poor, let's say ẹni yẹn ò lówó lọ́wọ́, poverty ridden or something like that. That's one state tíyan lè wà láyé yìí, pé kíyan máa lówó, kíyan máa ní kankan, ẹni tó bá ṣà ní pé ó wà poverty ridden tó olóṣì. State kan náà ni pé èèyàn lè jẹ́ olówó, that's possibility tíyan lè ṣe láyé yìí. State kan wà kíyan wà divorced, state kan wà kíyan kú. State though control sí lórí kúkú, but èèyàn lè wùwà anyhow kó lọ turn sí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ fún yàn. Ṣé you get? State kan wà kíyan ṣe self-induced sickness. So at a point in life, possibility pé kíyan sick wà. Ṣé you get? At a point, possibility pé kíyan wà married wà, kíyan wà single wà. So all of those possibilities, it has been written already. Òun ni that aspect tí mo sọ pa Qadar, ń pé tíyan máa wà confused ń pé wọ́n ṣe máa sọ pé gbogbo nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe ó ti wà written already. It is the possibility that has been written.
It's not depend on you.
It is now you that will now decide, I want to be this. Now, wanting to be this is not just by saying I want to be this. You will decide that you want to be this and you start performing the action that will make you to be. So ẹni tí ó wà ní ipò current position by default, aláìlówó lọ́wọ́ or bí ebi ń pa, action tó máa kọ́ sókè láti kúrò ní position yẹn kó wá bọ́ sí position yẹn tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lọ́wọ́. Sọ̀rọ̀ nípa very wealthy person because another state state kan wà pé kéèyàn wà jẹ́ average, ebi ò pa ẹ́, then báwo ni pé o lówó much, o lẹ́stra púpọ̀ but ibi ò pa ẹ́, o wà in between. Then super wealthy tó ní ànító àníṣẹ́kù tó lè ná tọ́nu generation ẹ̀ tó bá yẹ pé generational wealth. So state yẹn pé now èèyàn ti jókòó at a point pé láyé òun wà báyìí, òun wà ní level báyìí, òun fẹ́ change from this. Now ó wá decide láti move from that point, ó sacrifice it. That's changing of one thing tí mo realize nìyẹn pé changing from that state to the other state ó require sacrifice. So sacrifice may be in form of discipline, meaning normally tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ẹni yẹn máa ń sùn, máa ń jí, kò kí ń ṣe anything, ó kàn máa expect pé kí abọ́ table magically go appear wájú òun. Ṣé you get? But now this person now ó wá take from that position, ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ sí bus stop, okay, ibi tí wọ́n ti máa ń pèrò, ẹjọ́ ṣé mo lè ṣe conductor, ẹjọ́. So at different ẹni yẹn ó decide láti move and become another state tó jẹ́ pé ó ti ń exist already. That's òun náà ni o, but you just need to decide that now I'm leaving this kind of state, I want to become the better version of me. Ọlọ́run sọ pé nígbà mi wọ́n sọ fún yàn pé you become the better version of yourself, because there are several versions of you already existing. You just need to decide to be that version and you live like that version. Because you cannot say you o fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ta ọjà nísìn, or o fẹ́ máa ṣiṣẹ́ ní bank nísìn, o wá fẹ́ máa jí lọ sí bank ní 12 o'clock. Even bank manager gan jí lọ sí bank ní 12 o'clock, ká máa ti wá sọ pé ìwọ tó fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní level tó fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí. So ibi tí decision tiwa wá ti wá coming, ó ní verse kan nínú Quran, mi rántí particular chapter and verse, but what it says is that we will not change somebody, we will not change the state of somebody until that person, something change inside them. Meaning it is in your power to decide to be and not to be. So gbogbo atótómi mi lórí this discussion is that wherever you are, whatever you may be doing right now, and whatever you are aiming to be, you are already that version of yourself. You just need to decide
Yeah.
that I want to be this, and you
Yeah.
start living like that.
Yes. So.
So, ara àwọn nǹkan tó máa ń help èèyàn to be that is by reading, by sometimes you may not be even reading books. You may just be you have a mentor, like somebody that's a role model, somebody that is already living like you hope to live like. Then you understudy that person. If it's possible that you meet the person, that's why táwọn èèyàn máa ń ṣe apprenticeship lọ́dọ̀ yẹn pé o fẹ́ bí ọ̀nà tí wọ́n fẹ́ máa ṣe ni you want to become a fashion designer or you want to become a software developer. You get close to somebody that is already doing software development and you learn from them. Then you live like them. Software developer don't sleep. They are problem solvers. They think about things that will make other people's life easier. So they are solution creator. So you start living like them. Then that means the moment to decide láti be that, you're already that version. So start making decision and to being the better version of yourself from today. I remain Fatai Ayeloja. Follow me if you like this kind of content.
Clock it.